Maxillary expansion has been a safe, predictable, and effective orthodontic treatment for decades. Many orthodontic concerns stem from an underdeveloped upper jaw, and addressing this early can provide a wide range of benefits, including creating additional space for proper upper tooth alignment, improving lower teeth alignment as crowding often results from a smaller upper jaw, encouraging natural forward growth of the lower jaw, helping to establish a balanced bite, laying a strong foundation for adult teeth alignment and an optimized smile. Because the upper jaw is a three-dimensional structure, expansion should not only focus on widening, but also consider forward development, tilt, and symmetry to achieve the best functional and aesthetic outcomes. Take the next step. If your child has a narrow upper jaw, crowded teeth, or bite issues, maxillary expansion could be the key to their healthiest smile and long-term oral function. Book a free consultation today, and let's determine if expansion is the right solution for them.